If you're a coach, consultant, or course creator, having a membership site is one of the best ways to monetize your content, build a loyal community, and generate recurring revenue. But setting one up can feel very complicated, especially if you're trying to piece together multiple tools just to make it work. And that's where GoHighLevel comes in. It offers a built-in membership site feature that allows you to create and manage your course content, gate exclusive material, and automate the entire process, all within one platform. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a membership site in GoHighLevel, from creating the structure to adding content and setting up payments. So by the end, you'll have a fully functioning membership site ready to launch. So before we get into the tutorial, let's talk about what GoHighLevel is. So GoHighLevel is an all-in-one CRM and marketing automation platform designed for agencies and service-based businesses and entrepreneurs. And unlike traditional website builders or membership sites, it combines multiple tools into a single system, which allows you to create membership sites, build sales funnels, automate follow-ups, and manage leads all in one place. And with GoHighLevel, you don't need a separate software for course hosting, email marketing, or payment processing. It includes everything you need to create, sell, and manage a membership site without relying on third-party integrations. Now, let's get into it step by step on how to build your membership site inside GoHighLevel. So if you are new to GoHighLevel, what you want to do is make sure you use our exclusive link in the description below, because you can actually get an extended 30-day free trial. The normal free trial is just 14 days, but again, if you use our link, you will get that extended 30-day free trial. What you will do is add in your company name, your full name, your email address, phone number, and then you'll add in your card information. It's not going to charge you for that 30 days, but you do have to put that in ahead of time. Now, once you are in, what we're going to do is go ahead and scroll down to memberships. Then we're going to go ahead and navigate to courses. Under the courses tab, we're going to go to products, and then here is where we can create a specific product. Now we'll go ahead and click create product. We can start from scratch. If you already have a membership site in Kajabi, you can import from there. So we're going to go ahead and start from scratch. So GoHighLevel provides pre-built templates to help you structure your course quickly, or you can start from scratch. When setting up your product, think about how you want to organize your content. A standard membership site might include an introduction module, welcoming new members and explaining what to expect, core training modules, step-by-step lessons or tutorials, maybe bonus content, extra resources, templates, or live call recordings. Each module can contain videos, text lessons, PDFs, or downloadable files. So they have a couple different options here. So this could be a sprint course, which is just short courses to build gateway to memberships, a marathon course, which is train and upskill your audience with your niche. You can just build your own, or there is a membership, which is to just nurture and mentor your network. So maybe we want to do a marathon course, be like mind body course, create. So from here, this will be welcome to the course. So as you can see, they've got all this pre-built and outlined for you. So what we'll want to do is, again, we can customize everything, but within this introduction, this is where you can add the actual content. So if you wanted to add another within there, you can add a lesson, a subcategory, an assessment, or a certificate. So maybe we want to add one more lesson, enter title, expectations. And this is a draft, we want to publish it. And then now let's just say we want to edit any of these. If we want to move them around, we can drag and drop them. If we want to edit one specifically, this is where we'll go in directly. We can add a lesson thumbnail, and this is where you upload video or audio, or you can just have this be PDF and just have a description and not upload anything. And then, if you want it to be a PDF, you can attach any files here. So maybe we upload an audio. We can just add a little example, upload right there, upload file, and now we've got it in there. And maybe in the description, so this is an overview of expectations for the course. And then, maybe outline what that looks like, just to give your clients and give your students just double the information and repeat it so it's really in their brain. Okay, so let's go ahead and save. And if you want, you can preview what it will look like. So then from here, we can go ahead and edit and add the rest of our information and course content. So again, we would follow the same steps. Maybe this is phase 1, the mind. And then from here, we want to add each of the concepts. So maybe this is intro to mindset, add your description, upload the audio or the video, go ahead and click save. You also can add that lesson thumbnail. And then maybe the next one is why your mind affects your body. Again, introduce a second concept, and then we'll go ahead and click save. And then maybe concept number 3 is your model of the world. Okay, cool. Upload the video or audio, go ahead and click save. Super easy, super simple. And if we had maybe like a, workbook to go along with it, maybe we attach that right here. And then if you want to add a course completion certificate, you can go ahead and choose one of the defaults, or you can customize it, which is super cool. For each module too, you can include progress tracking so members can see their completion status. If you want to drip content over time instead of giving access to everything at once, GoHighLevel also allows you to schedule content release dates based on when members join. So here we can go to the details. Here is where we would customize what we want it to look like. If you want to just apply it, you can do that too. Go ahead and go back. Okay, so once everything is customized, what we'll want to do is go to the offers section. So we will have to create an offer, like I mentioned at the beginning. Right now, I would have to set up a Stripe account. So you would just follow their instructions to connect your personal Stripe account. Then you'd be able to add an actual price and then create this offer. So again, you can set up a one-time payment or reoccurring subscription like monthly, quarterly, or yearly, but you want to choose which products are included in this offer. And like I said, GoHighLevel integrates with Stripe and PayPal, making it really easy to accept payments. The last step is to automate onboarding and member communication. So a great membership experience isn't just about the content, it's also about making sure your members feel supported. So GoHighLevel's automation tools let you set up welcome emails so you can send automated emails with login details and an introduction, as well as SMS reminders where you can remind members to log in and continue their training, as well as drip content sequences. So gradually release new lessons instead of giving access all at once. There's also by automating these steps, you create a seamless experience that keeps members engaged without extra manual work. So let's take a look at the different pricing and plan options so you know which one fits you best. So starting off with the starter plan, this is $97 a month, and this is all the tools to capture more leads, nurture and close leads into customers, full online booking, pipeline, social calendar, website builder, and more, as well as unlimited contacts and users, and set up 3 sub accounts and basic API access. Next is the unlimited plan, and this is $297 a month. With this, you get basic API access, which integrates with anything, unlimited sub accounts, and branded desktop app. And lastly is the SaaS Pro, and this is $497 a month. You get everything that's in unlimited, but you also get the SaaS mode, rebilling enabled with the ability to set up your own markup, rebilling available on Conversation AI, as well as full API access. So if you want to save 20%, you also can sign up and pay yearly, which is also a great way to save some moolah. Okay, so is GoHighLevel good for membership sites and for you? If you want to build a simple but powerful membership site, GoHighLevel is an amazing choice. It allows you to host and sell courses online, automate communication, and integrate everything with your CRM and marketing tools all in one place. If you only need a basic membership site without automation features, platforms like Kajabi or Teachable might be easier to use. That wraps up this step-by-step guide on how to create a membership site with GoHighLevel. If you've already used it, I'd love to hear in the comments how it's worked for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.